is we going underway in 3, 2, 1.
It already started.
As
Bit
the
late
match
there,
goes.
commentator. Oh my.
Evan seems to be scoring. It looks like Sleepy going over the bump to score.
Why is he going over the bump?
We now have all of Blue scoring as they taking the lead, as Alliance 8 was not expected to take this upset.
Okay.
Auto looks like they currently have the lead at the end of Autonomous. It looks like Auto may be close, but looks like Blue just managed to take it out. As Oz and Evan are taking the Autos in. But it looks like Red managed to just come back in Auto, but Blue has a 30-point lead. Sleepy is passing up in the air, trying to get through.
Whoa, my God!
And Todd is just draining shots from a far zone. We currently have Oz and Evan trying to score.
Oh my God! I see so many yellow taxis.
Todd going up and in from his area as her shift is now changing. As Ben shot a couple in a little too early there. But it looks like most of it still counted. But this red Ben getting tipped up on the bump.
Help.
It looks like he is kind of stuck. This is not a foul in xRC though. Colin scores.
Thank you, commentator.
392 Blue.
Push me, Evan. Push me. Thank you.
It is a 100-point game. But to the Blues' favor as Troy dumps another hopper in. He is on fire today with over 150
I'm
points
stuck.
scored
I can't
already.
move. Baby's just keeping me here.
Oh wait, yes, BB, go.
Oh,
Evan now unloading his hopper into the active Blue Alliance hub, but Ben does not let him score for long as he gets pushed away. But unfortunately for Red, Blue Alliance still has a 150-point lead. And now, but Red now has time to come back as Beamy leading the charge, trying to get his Red Alliance back in the game. Beamy front and center scoring. Ben trying to score the hopper as well, but just not getting let in as he was temporarily stuck on the bump. He is now free again. Ben going over, almost knocking into Evan. Major collision now. 33 seconds left. Everyone playing defense. Beamy and Ben both looking to score, but it looks like Beamy going back actually to try to slow down his Blue Alliance and do damage control. I don't know if it's going to be enough as there's currently a 100-point gap, but Sleepy and Ben are going to see what they can do. As Sleepy takes the center of a hub to go score. With 8 seconds left, Oz has already climbed up in the air. Looks like Todd is looking to join him as Evan unloads his final shots. Red Alliance trying to make it back.
Nice job.
Just was not quite enough. The top score of this match was Ben 2783 for Red.